take our PEX unit and lightly bring it out of the van. Nicely sets down, and it's easy to go. Now we actually have water on board because it's a little harder to get it from the client. So we're going to take it from the van. We have on board accessory water to just take that water right from our system and fill up our tank. With fresh water right from our hydro cradle, right here in the middle of the van, where we normally are powering it for our truck mounted system, we're gonna grab that water since the business doesn't have it as accessible and fill our tank up just as much as we need for the job. It easily wheels into our job and we can contain our work and then not have to have the noise or hoses that would be risked on walking or tripping in this public area, so we can work at times when others that only would have a truck mount wouldn't be able to. I'm here at a really neat wellness center with my friend Larry, and he's got some interesting floor types. We came in to clean your carpets today,
Yes.
but I wanted to ask you about, what about the luxury vinyl plank? Do you think it needs to be cleaned?
Yeah, we're a wellness center, and so cleanliness is just optimum for us. We clean the floor every day, not only vacuum, but we also use our mop, whatever the heck you call that thing.
Flat mops.
Flat mop, yep. And it works great. We have a product from the manufacturer of the floor, but it doesn't take up everything we want it to because we're walking in off of the street and we're carrying things in. We have walk-off mats,
Yep.
but it's still carrying through the floor. And so whether it's into our relaxation area, into the hallways, or into the rooms, we need to keep them really clean.
So clean represents healthy.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, what we're noticing is that these floors, even though they're manufactured, have grooves in them, and they capture soil that doesn't always come off with just that flat mopping. We've got a great process that we're now offering along with our carpet cleaning service that you called me for, that we can address some areas. And if you're interested, I can take a look at your tile floor in the bathroom, this hard floor luxury vinyl plank or LVP, and give you a price for that service. Would you find that a value?
Oh yeah, that'd be very helpful.
Awesome. Well, we're going to do a couple of little work demo areas and kind of show you the results and what we can achieve for you, or give you a price for the services, and then we can see if we can make a deal. Would that work for you?
Fantastic.
Awesome. Thanks for having me out.
Hey, thank you.
Here today, and we've got an opportunity to not just do the carpet, but actually be able to do the luxury vinyl plank. And so to do that, we have our Evolution wand with its revolutionary and fantastic adaptable brush glide. Very easy to switch this out and still use the same systems that we've got. All we have to do is turn that thing over. We've already loosened the little Allen nut that's in there, so it slides right off, and this unit will slide right into the grooves and right on it. But we want to be sure to get it the right direction, so we'll put the brushes on the front leading edge. That way it traps the moisture when it sprays out and then vacuums it back up at about 200 PSI on either a portable or a truck mounted unit. Today, we're going to be using the PEX500 because we've got it conveniently here at our site. We can operate this system with a brush glide and the PEX500 system with low pressure and some heat and do a nice easy recovery of what we're going to scrub in. We're going to review the scrub of the luxury vinyl tile and plank cleaner from the Hydro Clean product line and this HydroMaster solutions in just a minute. Well, now we've got our HydroFresh LVC. This is a great all-purpose hard surface cleaner. One of the things I like about it most is how great it smells. We'll experience that, and so will our customers after we're done with a light surface cleaning of this flooring here. We're going to first mix the product according to its ratio, 1 part to 64 parts. So that's about 2 ounces per gallon, which in this little sprayer that we're mixing up, we need very little. So probably about 1 ounce or just a bit more of that solution into our small little applicator, because we're just doing a small area today. And then we'll put our sprayer together. Pressurize it. mist it over the floor of the area that we're going to clean. We then use our agitation tool. There's several scrubbing or agitation tools available. We're going to go ahead and use a counter-rotating brush machine. The counter-rotating brush machine we're going to use today comes from CC, Carpet Cleaning Industries, Carpet Cleaner America. It's got a counter-rotating brush on the bottom of the unit that spins on the drop. We're going to use that to work the cleaning solution into the grooves. Grains on this LVC. Put it back in the tray. The brushes don't flatten out. Now we're going to go ahead and extract with low pressure and rinse this surface off, and we'll finish off with a final flat mop to give a beautiful clean area. Step, once we've done our rinse, is to give it a nice, smooth, just wiping down, flat mop, remove that residual. You can also use an air mover and it will flash and clean off without any leaks or problems. And here we actually found another opportunity to clean with the same equipment and just a simple twist of the chemistry and the process. This is a ceramic tile with grout. We're going to apply, at this point, often our hydrostone to break down that grout soil. Once we have that hydrostone worked in well, if we feel it's going to need to be revitalized, we'll have to do a second and then a third step. But today we're just going to do a hydrostone application to this area, work this grout primarily in with our CRB. You can also use a brush, a shark, and varieties of little agitation tools to work and loosen up the soil that gets compounded and trapped into this grout. Now that we've got the solution down, we're going to go ahead and work that in with a mechanical CRB. And we scrub. These little machines work really great to get into those grouts. And then we'll come through and give it a nice final flat mop. this has been pretty exciting. Now I've got one portable extractor that can power a variety of surfaces to be cleaned. Luxury vinyl plank with our HydroFresh LVC, tile and grout cleaning, which we're easily able to do with our HydroStone, and the same recovery brush glide that we added to the bottom of our Evolution wand, and the carpets that we could clean as well. One easy machine, one wand, couple glides, and some simple chemistry. Happy floors, happy customer, and we have been successful. Great option with the PEX500, the Evolution wand, the brush glide that you can put to the bottom of the tool, and the HydroFresh LVC today.